Hello, welcome to this section of the training. Now in this section I will be adding more products to our store. Okay, now in the last section I actually added just 2 products. Okay, so I later I added an additional 2, making it 4 products. That's this one and this particular one. Okay, these are the products I added. Okay, so like I told you, you can actually go to Jumia and or Konga to get some products to add to your store. Okay, we are actually creating just a test site, okay, just for the training. So these are the 2 products I added. This is the other one. Okay, so I went to Konga and search for products and added. This Jumia. Okay, you can also use konga.com for that purpose. Okay, so in this section I'm going to be adding new products to the store. Okay, so what I will do now is to click add new product. Okay, so I've already searched on jumia.com to get the product I want to add. So this is the name of the product. I'll just copy it and paste it here. So like I said, it's just for the training. Okay, all right, so the product description, or this particular one doesn't have description. This particular one doesn't have description. Okay, let's look at this one here. Product. Okay, so we're going to use this particular one. You see right here. See. All right, so I've searched for another products to make use of. Okay, so this is the particular one I'm going to use. I'm going to copy it, put in the product name. Okay, so I'll come here and copy the product details. Okay, so copy it, then paste it here. All right, so I'm going to come down to the this is the short description, so I'm going to copy the short description. Okay, so right down here is the short description, so I'm pasting it here. Okay, so the price. Okay, so let me put in the price. Okay, so I'll scroll up to get the price. Okay, so this is the regular price, so let me copy the regular price. Okay, I put in the regular price, then I put in the sales price. Okay, so this is the price we are going to be selling it. Now if the product is visual or is a downloadable product, you can just check this. Okay, but you can see when I click this, it brings in some options. Okay, some other options. Okay, like for me to add the file that will be downloaded after purchase. Okay, so next up, let's go to inventory. Okay, so SKU. Okay, this actually means the number of products that at least can be bought. Okay, so at least somebody should be able to buy one from one above. Then enable, we have to mark enable stock management at product level. Okay, so the number of products stock we have in this case is 89. Then this is the number of products that I want to start getting notification if the stock is low. Okay, so this is 10. Okay, so I think that's that for this section. So let's come to the category. So the category is electronics. Now if the product falls under another category, like let's say accessories, you can also mark that category. Okay, for the product tag, I'm going to type TV okay, then put a comma. This is smart screen, put a comma, Android, and comma, then okay, then television, and you click add. Right, so next up, so we're going to add a product image. So click set product image. Okay, go to upload files, click select files. Okay, so oh shit. Okay, so these are the images I downloaded previously for, the last two products I added under shoes. Okay, I downloaded them from Jumia. Okay, so let me go to where these my new products are. Okay, so I'm going to select this particular image, click open. Okay, so it's loading. So click set product image. Okay, so it has been set. If you want to add product gallery, you can just click add product gallery images. Okay, so next up is to click publish. Alright, so okay, the product has been published, so you can just right click and click view product to see the product which we created. Okay, so this is the product we created. This is the product name. Okay, the short description. Okay, this is the regular price and the sales price. Okay, this is the product description which we added at the bottom showing. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do next is to add in another product. So I have another product we are going to add. So I'm going to copy the product name, that's the TV name. Okay, then come here and click add new. Okay, so here I paste in the product name. Okay, come here to what do you call it, product details, product description. So let me copy the product and paste here. Okay, so for the product short description, I copy this. Okay, so so let me just copy this. Okay, so paste it here. Right, so let's come in and type in the price. So scroll up, this is the regular price. Just select and copy, paste it here. Okay, so this is the actual price where we'll be selling it. So go to inventory. Okay, so SKU, you want to be setting this as 1. So mark this, you mark this, set this. Okay, we have 98 in stock. Okay, so the number I want to start getting notification, 10. Okay, so do not uncheck this because you don't want to be selling the products as in only one at a time. Okay, you want to be selling as many as possible. Okay, so let's come here and type tags. Okay, first of all, let's mark the categories, then the tags. Okay, TV, put in a comma. Okay, let me put Samsung. Okay, you want to put as many tags as possible so you don't know what people will be searching for in your in your store. So let me put this LG. Okay, so then click add. So the tags have been added. So let me add the product image. Set product image, go to upload files, select files. So I'll be using this particular image here. Click upload, then click set product image. Okay, so you can add product gallery images if you want. Okay, so I'm just going to come here and click publish. Okay, Okay, it's loading up. All right, so it has been published, so you can ignore this invalid or duplicated SKU. So let's view the product. You can see it's loading up. All right. Okay, so this is the product we just added right here. This is the product we just added right here. Okay, all right, so this is the previous one we added. All right, so now what I did, I went ahead to add more products. Okay, more product under the electronic category. Okay, you can see, okay, I added 6 more. Okay, so these are the first 2 I added. This one here, Skyron and iSense. So I added 6 more. So you can add 6 more. You can just go to Jumia or Konga. Okay, just add more products. Okay, so if I come here, these are the there are actually 8 electronics right here now. Okay, this is a preview of the products which I added. Okay, this is just a preview. Okay, so in the next session we are going to add a different set of products.